Katie and Joey with Cup of Cold Water Ministry, and we're here to talk about our summer lineup. The first night we have is the Go Night, and it's all about the Go. And we're going to have other mission-minded people just in fellowship, and we're going to worship together. And we're going to hear from Hannah Munson, who spent some time in a Russian prison while she was on the mission field. And we're just going to hear her story and her journey to restoration. The next event we have is the Even So, and that's a ladies' night for us to all get together and worship together. And we're going to hear from Judy Larson, who currently serves in Thailand in the Red Light District. So we're just going to hear her story and what she goes through on a daily basis. The next one is a walk in their shoes, and this is a very hands-on event that it teaches us a better way to respond to the suffering.
Okay, God's Kids Go is an event basically to introduce our kids into missions. You know, many little kids may already have that passion for missions, and this event basically stimulates that and propels them to go. The evangelism workshop is an event just to train people to be able to respond better when we're asked about our faith in a world that, you know, has gotten very complex philosophically. You know, many people have questions, and the evangelism workshop will help you give a better answer for our faith. Okay, so you can register for these events at our website at ccwm.org.